Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my first time doing crochet braiding. So if you want to see my experience while singing some random songs, then keep watching. For this look, I used 2.5 packs of the Kanekalon 26-inch Jamaican bounce hair in the color 1B. The needle was not included, but I purchased both from Amazon. And I'll give you my hair review at the end. Before styling, I co-washed my hair, added leave-in oil and cream, aka the lock method. I cornrowed my hair. I'm not very good at it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to make sure I have my hair parted in the front for styling options. Taking the piece of hair out of the pack, I inserted the needle in my hair, opened the latch, placed the hair on the hook, then close the latch, pull the needle through my braid with the latch hook closed so it doesn't snag my hair. I insert my fingers inside the loop, grab and pull the two loose sections through the loop to make a knot, and pull those two sections to tighten the knot. I continued this process throughout majority of my head. I did struggle a little bit with the needle getting stuck, but I got the hang of it. Again, insert the needle, open the latch, hook the hair, close the latch, pull needle through the braid, put my fingers through the loop to grab the hair and make a knot and tighten it. I separated some pieces in half to get more volume and frizz. The front section will be a little different, but I'll show you what I did. It's the next day and this is one pack of hair installed. I'm gonna keep working off camera and come back. So this is the second pack. I'm still working on the second pack. I wanted to show you guys how full it is. This is actually how it comes out in the pack. I would take one and unravel it. For the front, I unraveled one piece in half or into 3 smaller pieces. I've already added oil to my hair and scalp earlier, but I wanted to add more. And this was my first time trying the Main Choice hair growth oil. If you've tried it out before, let me know in the comments. Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Half of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana. He didn't walk up with that, how you do it? He said there's a lot of girls that can do it. I gave him forever in a minute. And Papa said he got mine with him. He got me feeling like, ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like, ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh, na, 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 na. Even when it's raining down, can't stop, so shut your mouth. And if you don't know it now, know it, baby. Right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, loving, I'm living up. I just want you to come with me. We're on another mentality. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, loving, I'm living up. Oh yeah, ooh, yeah. Okay, back to the hair. So we're continuing the same process, putting the hair on the hook, closing the latch, pulling the hair through the braid. Then we're gonna do the invisible part. Here's the difference here. Instead of adding 2 strands, you're gonna add only 1 strand of that hair and then pull it through. And that will help to create the invisible part. Once again, I pulled the needle through my hair, hooked the hair to the needle, closed the latch, pulled the hair through. Try not to struggle like I'm doing right now. And to make the invisible part, instead of adding 2 strands, you're gonna add 1 strand of hair. And I double knotted this one just to secure it. And that's pretty much it. Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep, 'cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One. I spent last night on my last flight to you. Took a whole day up, trying to get away up. Ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love funny, yeah. Me too, what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I need a girl like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. This is how it turned out. It's a lot of hair. Cut it and shape it how you would like. This is probably what I'm going to do later on. For now, I'm going to just trim off some of the flyaways, frizzy parts of the hair, and some of the ends. For the ones that are frizzy, you don't want to cut that are frizzy. You can just curl it back up and it usually takes away the frizz. You can style it how you want. This is my middle part. If you don't want to do a middle part, how I braided my hair, that's why it's important at least how you have your hair parted. How I braided it allowed me to have another part. Oh, that's cute. Probably gonna shorten it. I'm definitely going to shape it, but for now, I think I like this look. This was my first time doing crochet braiding because I just wanted something different. As far as the hair, I love the bounce, I love the curl pattern, but it was very dry, very hard, not soft at all, and it tangled very easily, so I don't think I'll be buying this hair again. I'll probably buy something else that's softer with a similar curl pattern. But I'll do more crochet braiding styles. I hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again with my next one. Bye. Tears left to cry, so I'm picking it up. Make sure to hit that bell. Make sure to hit, what is it? Crochet braiding style. I got hair in my mouth.